Hey guys, so this is the Ninebot Kickscooter MAX. We're gonna do an unboxing today and talk about the specs and everything. And so let's go ahead and get started. Just kidding. Looks like it comes mostly pre-assembled. Let's see. Side, power cord, Allen wrench. I'll go over that stuff. Let's take out the fun stuff right now. Take out the styrofoam, and feels really solid. It's beastie heavy. Alright, that's all that's in the box. There it is. Allen wrench. And let's see what it looks like to fold. So let's turn this off. So you hold the power to turn it off. And there it is. So now you can lift this. It's decently heavy. It feels like one of those 5-gallon water bottles. It's maybe a little bit heavier than that. Or around the same. Ninebot looks yellowish goldish, closer to a gold color. So that's your disc brake. When you pull that, it's actually squeezing that. Looks like it's connected to some disc brake inside. And yeah, this is actually pumped this tire and it says 55 psi max. So you actually pump these tires, which potentially means they could go flat. But it also means it's softer. And so that's the screen. It almost looks like nothing's here until you turn it on. And so it's in sport mode. If you double click twice, it goes into eco. I guess normal, and the faster mode. And so this is your bell, brakes, accelerator, and you need to be going for that. And this clips to this piece right here, and so you could lift it up. And it's cool because it has lights. That's pretty awesome. When you click that once, the light turns on and it shows you this little light symbol you typically find in cars. Pretty awesome. And so you hold to turn off, double click twice to change the modes, and single click once and it turns on the light. So pretty easy to use. So there you go. Okay, so this is the power section. It's on the other side of the scooter. It won't stay up, so you hold this up and then you plug this in. There it is. And charge the other side, so you don't have this extra super fat layer of brick AC to DC adapter. It's actually built into this, so it's actually pretty cool. So taking out electric scooter for a ride, I rode it under eco mode and sport mode. And they were both really fun. The sport mode was much more fun. Eco mode was actually a good learning curve because I'm brand new to electric scooters. I know how to ride bikes. I barely know how to rollerblade, and I pretty much don't know how to skateboard. and I was able to get on this thing and like pick it up immediately. Sport felt a little too fast initially, but once I rode it around the block a few times, it was actually, I got the hang of it, and I switched to sport mode and I was riding it under that. The scooter itself rides pretty smoothly because of the inflatable tires. They're 10-inch tires, and the front and the rear have shock absorption, and because the battery is at the bottom, it's basically at the bottom of the scooter, it actually provides you a nice balance. So I very much enjoyed it, and I went over a few bumps here and there, but most of the stuff that I was riding on was paved road. So I don't know how this would do in a rougher environment, but for paved roads and stuff like that, it was actually very smooth, very fast, and it actually went pretty fast. So I really liked it. I liked that. I liked the build quality. The buttons worked. Everything worked well. So I was actually very impressed with it. And for the price of $600 initially on Indiegogo a few months back, it's actually like a really good deal. And I think it's like $700 now, and it's going to be 800. I believe 800 is the retail price, I believe. Appreciate it if you guys can like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching.